She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Hermosa Hair. They sent me over this straight wig. This is their 7x5 glueless 220% density wig. So it can completely come off of my head and just like go back. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-everything. I did not have to do anything to this wig. I just put it on my head and I show you guys how I do that. I did make sure that I washed the wig before I installed it, so you will see me straightening the wig back out. But this is how it's looking. It's very full. The texture is a little coarse texture, so it's more natural for my hair type and my liking. Look how thick this is. I want to show you, this is just one side. And it just looks so pretty. It feels so pretty. I'm also going to be giving away this wig. So if you want to be entered into this giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down below. And I will definitely put all of you guys' stuff in the giveaway thing. What? I am going to be giving away this wig as well. So make sure you guys comment down below. All your comments will be entered into a generator and anybody can win this wig. I am going to be posting the giveaway winners on my community tab every Friday. So make sure you check the community tab to see if you won. So I want to show you guys what came in the packaging. This is what came. This came in a poly mailer, so this is the bag. It comes in the standard plastic, a wig cap, a headband, and a wig, and eyelashes. So these are the things that you're going to be winning along with the wig. If you want to see how I put this wig on and get it to be so nice and flat, let's get right into this video. I'm going to show you all the products that I'm using as well.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name. I love that name.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate. I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same. Our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you. My time with you. She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything to her. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Drive it undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything. Don't know where we stand. I used to hit you about everything. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. Oh, we still good. If I need to talk, move around. Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause? You still down, you still down, you still down. Rock me real slowly. Put it on it got me nervous. They go to school and do bottle service. They can't decide, they keep switching majors. Being indecisive makes me anxious. Call your number and it's out of service. Who can I call for your information? What am I supposed to do after we've done everything that
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. This is how it's looking. You can see like my sideburns and stuff because it is a closure, but it goes all the way here because it's a 7x5, not a 6x5, 7x5. So yeah, I absolutely love how this turned out. And if you guys want to enter my giveaway, like I always say, make sure you leave a comment below to be entered. And yeah, if you do not win this giveaway, don't be upset. There will be other wig videos coming, and those are all giveaways. These are my giveaway. This is my giveaway segment of the videos. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Hermosa hair. I will have the links down below if you guys are interested in getting this wig. Highly recommend. Super duper high quality. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.